What's up, folks? Steve Harris of Low Class Media. We're out here today at Goertz Ranch. Pretty much a universally loved property amongst all of our racing buddies. The conditions look perfect. It's going to be a sick race. Let's get into it, folks. Woo! 2024, I cannot believe we're already here, but here we are in round one at Goertz, ready to rock. Funny enough, this is actually the first property I ever raced on. Back in 2020, I can remember rolling off the start line, going into the woods and seeing that first set of hills, and the hills looked like mountains to me. In fact, they were kind of some of the first hills I've ever seen in a race, really, or anywhere on a dirt bike. But now when I come to this property, I shoot right up those hills, no problem, so I guess that's progress right there, right? But coming off the end of last season, I placed 14th, folks. 14th. That's not good. In any case, I'm definitely very interested in being more competitive in my own class. But even though I'm not happy with my performance, I definitely made a lot of progress over the season, but I do want to continue to grow as a rider. And so this season, I'm going to be working on some things with some of my riding peers to hopefully get over this plateau that I've been on for quite some time. And actually, Kyle, who you guys know from my videos, says he wants to make a bet with me about this race that he says is gonna make me better. So we need to make sure we check in with him after practice. So yeah, let's go gear up and get out on the course, and I'll show you guys around the property. Oh, this is badass. Nice little fast, flowy track here so far. Nice sick little jump out of the creek. Folks, we just got done with practice here. Let's go check in with Kyle and see what this bet is that he has for me.
Listen, let's do some more music.
All right, guys, C&D race is about to start. We're here with Kyle and Cree. Kyle, you said you got a bet for me. What's going on here?
So a lot of people moved up from B to A, so I think you can go from like 19th, 20th to 7th. I think you can do top 7.
7?
And if you don't, we're betting $100.
$100? Like on the whole season?
Chris Cino, yeah.
Or just this race?
Let's do this race.
This race?
Yeah, this race.
I don't know, dude.
Just this race.
Top 7? That's a
top-
huge jump.
Top 7, $100.
No excuses, bro. Just do it. It's not like you had ACL surgery.
Wait, how about it pays both of us $100?
There we go. 100 for me, 100 for
Y'all are gonna bleed me dry.
Yeah.
Weenie.
And then if you get it, then you get 200.
I get 200
Yeah,
from y'all.
100 from him, 100 from me. Yeah.
Okay. All right, folks, it's official.
Is it a shake? Are we
On
shaking?
camera?
Oh!
We're doing it.
But if not, then we'll think of something to put you through. But we'll figure that out after the race.
Okay, so come see you after the race?
Yeah.
All right. Well, looks like I'm gonna be $200 poor, folks. You freaking rats. All right, folks, here we go. Race time. Gotta get 7th place or better. I do not think that's gonna happen. But you know what? Shoot for the moon and land on the stars, as they say.
Jesus Christ. Well, that was a fun start. feel the fatigue. Oh man, that was almost bad, folks. Oh, nice pass. Oh, shit. That was gonna be sick until it wasn't. Alright, so we settled in on lap 2. See it? Decent start. I'm in a fairly good position for me in my level of riding, but I'm starting to feel the fatigue pretty good here. Starting to slow down just a little bit. Oh shit, a lot. What am I saying? But hopefully that'll help me gain back some stamina. Just gonna try to keep being smooth and moving forward. Some of these acceleration chops are getting pretty gnarly. Got it. Absolutely got it. Smashed in the chest. Alright. Let's get some rhythm going here. Yo! Here's old Justin from Bike and Bird. I can't remember what his photography company name is, but y'all hit him up for some photos. Takes really great photos. Really appreciate all the photographers that we have that come to the races. You guys are awesome. Alright, getting a little stamina back here. Come on. Trying to let the bike do the work here. Not ride so much with my arms. Ah! Come on. We gotta put it on the line here. Go. Oh, there goes my water. 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 There goes my water what is this? This is garbage. Kenny. Well, that's all this time. I lost my water hose. Nope, definitely not faster. Wow. That was almost a disaster. Jesus, come on, dude. Harper, you rat. Put my life on the line. Oh, we'll get him back, folks. Oh, we will get his ass back. hell was that? What the hell was I thinking there? Oh my God. I got straight booted off the pegs. Alright, we're getting lapped, folks, by the faster riders. Getting passed by the faster riders. Oh shit, oh shit. Jesus Christ. These woods are huge.
All right, folks, we're here the day after the race. I'm not sure if Kyle and Chris know how I finished in the race, but we're going to call him up and let him know and see what this challenge is that he has for me because, well, I got 19th, folks. And guess what? That's not 7th. So let's reluctantly make this call. All right, folks, we are here with Kyle Cowden to do a follow-up after the race here. Kyle, you don't actually know my result, do you?
No.
Where do you think I placed? I mean, $200 is on the line here.
I'm going to say you placed 18th or 20th.
No, dude, I got 7th on the nose, bro.
No way.
You and Chris both owed me $100.
All right, I got you.
All right, well, that's the end of our call, folks. So,
Bye, guys.
see ya.
Later.
Nah.
Let me get back to what I'm doing.
Nah, I got 19th, boy. 19th, Kyle. Kyle, that is terrible. That's terrible.
What are you doing, bro? I thought you were good. You've been riding for what, 5 years now?
Bro, the worst part about it is that is the best I have ever felt in a race ever. From start to finish, I had energy. I had a little bit of a drop off, but I came back quick. I was riding hard. I really felt like I was attacking the whole course. I got off the course and I was like, I probably got like 10th. I know I didn't get 7th, but I probably got like 10th. Boy, I got 19th.
Boy, that's rough.
So
it's all good, bro. Everybody has those races, including me.
So I don't know what to do, bro. I just gotta keep practicing. But I got your Venmo coming to you. You and Chris.
Appreciate it.
You guys are bleeding me dry. But so what's this challenge? You said you had some challenge for me after the race.
I don't know. I feel like we go ride the trails for a little bit, do like a little 30-minute moto, get you tired, and then we got a little section of vlogs that we can hit when you're tired. I don't know, maybe keep your confidence up, figure out how to hit vlogs when you're tired. I feel like that would be really, really good to have that in your back pocket to be confident hitting logs.
I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying because I definitely do avoid some of the tougher stuff whenever I'm tired. And if I can maybe get some better, really honestly, I need the repetition just to prove it to myself that even when I don't feel like I can hold on, as long as I hit it with the right technique, I can still do it. So how about this? Instead of giving you that $200, I'll just put gas in my truck. And I'll just invest in this process. How about that? Because you're my friend, right? And you want to see me get better, right?
Yo, yeah. But I'd like to get some fuel.
Yeah.
On my bike, I'll give you some cross power. 2T, whatever it's called.
How did it go for you? How did you feel?
But I don't know. I think it's ego. Where I was kind of pissed off. Granted, I'm not fast like the pros or A guys, whatever. But you know, I go from D to B,
Right.
mid pack and B, tear my ACL, and I'm off for 8 months, which I get
basically a year. I mean,
and then I go back down to C, trying to get back in the swing of things, and I'm racing with two of my buddies, James and Chris.
yeah,
They beat me, so that makes me a little upset.
that hurts. That hurts.
And then at the last lap, I was letting people pass me, and I see D guys going past me, and it's a little shot to the ego. My knee felt good, dude. Like I feel like I've realized. Well, I take that back. When I first started riding again after the surgery, I was dabbing my feet again, like a lot, dabbing my feet. I think it was because I was just nervous.
Yeah.
But this last race, I don't think I really, in the long sweeping turns, I took my foot off, you know, kind of throw your leg out. But other than that, I don't think I was really focused on trying to keep my feet on the pegs, not dabbing them.
Sure.
Something happened. End of the third lap, I went down something and then came up, and it was a right-hand turn. And there's like this 2 big trees. And there's like these thick vines going through the middle. I got tangled up in that. Let 3 or 4 guys by me, and I pulled my bike out, and I was like, whatever, I'm just going to finish and just cruise the rest of the race. You know, take it easy. Think of the positives. I'm not hurt. Knee feels good, whatever. Granted, my hands hurt. And then I said I was going to take it easy, and I was letting people pass me just because I wanted to finish. It hit my hand about 3 times.
Oh my God, dude.
Within like 3 minutes of each other. It's like 3 times, 3 minutes. I can't really move my knuckle more than that.
Good. Oh, dude, that finger is fat, boy.
Oh yeah, she's thick.
Jeez.
Yeah, but I've only been riding a dirt bike for 3 years. It'll come back to me, but it's just a little bummed.
It's your first race back. You don't have the bike totally set up yet, and that does go a long way. Whenever you dial that in, you feel confident, you feel comfortable, you feel like you can push, and dude, you'll pick it back up. And it's you know how it is. It's like we can go out and ride and feel good, but once you get into that race scenario, dude, everything changes. And you know, you'll just have to get back into race mode, but you'll get there, no doubt. You were strong. You were strong when you hung it up after your injury. Cool, dude. Well, yeah, man, great race. Great to see you guys out there, and we'll have to link up for a training session here soon at Dan's probably, and hit that one log that we know about. And yeah, just keep getting better, trying to get faster. Try to move up from 19th place. You know, good God. All right, bro. We'll get back to your Call of Duty, dude. You know, I know you get fried over and over in that game. You're not that good, but it's okay. But you know.
All good. All good.
All right, later, bro.
Later, brother. Bye.
All right, folks, that was embarrassing. Looks like I'm $200 poorer. Oh well. Stay tuned for episode 2. We're gonna go out and practice some of these things that me and Kyle talked about on the call today, and just try to continue to improve and hopefully make that result look a little bit better at some of these races. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video. And if you want to see more of my content, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And if you really love me and you want to support my channel, because it does take a lot of effort to make these videos, Low Class Media is now accepting donations via Venmo at Low Class Media. I'll put that in the description below. But thanks to you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.